My name's Jamie, and today I'd like to talk to you about what to do if someone gets hurt. So in my family I have 2 little ones and a very active husband. So as you can imagine, we do get a lot of accidents, some bumps and bruises. So we're happy to have essential oils in our house so that we can use when these things do happen. So firstly, I'd like to introduce you to lavender essential oil. Lavender has so many uses, but the main ones that we use it for in my family are for cuts, for bruises, for rashes, and for burns mainly. So it really helps stop bleeding when someone gets a cut, and it also helps it heal as well. Secondly, we have helichrysum oil. So this oil has really high healing properties. It's so good for scarring, for cuts, for lesions, for any kind of accident, so even the big ones too. It's one of the most powerful natural painkillers out there. Otherwise, if you don't have helichrysum, you could use ice blue, or in America it's called deep blue. It has helichrysum in it as well to help with aches and pains. So it also helps when you have the throbbing pains from after you injure yourself. And we have tea tree oil, or melaleuca in America. So this is a natural first aid for the skin. Okay, so this is what I use. These are 10 ml roll-on bottles, and they come in the pretty pink color, or you can get the clear ones, and they sell that at Aroma Tools. So it's au.aromatools.com. And my Aoi blend for pain is 15 ml of lavender. So you pour it in there. So 7 drops of tea tree and 5 drops of helichrysum in there. And then I top the breast up with fractionated coconut oil all the way to the top. Mix it up and it's ready to go. So you can put this in your purse or in your nappy bag and you're good to go. Okay, so when you have an injury or a cut or a bruise, I would recommend that you roll it on every 2 to 3 hours. If it's a serious injury, you can rub it on more often. So like every hour, you just put a little bit on, So you can put this on just before you put a band-aid on. And my husband, he had this massive bin fall onto his toe, and it was bleeding everywhere, and he was bruising, and I was freaking out because I can't deal with blood. So I gave him some helichrysum, and he put it on straight away, and some deep blue as well for the pain, and it stopped bleeding almost straight away, and then the purple color became more pink, and after he applied it a few more times, the throbbing pain went away, and within another week it was completely healed. So so it broke down all the blood so that it didn't bruise, and then it healed so fast. So I'm so glad that we have these oils, and I can't rave about it enough. It's just fantastic to have in your medicine cabinet. So I really recommend that you get this oil, helichrysum. It's just wonderful to use. So for surgeries or for injuries, for anything. And that's all for today. So thank you. Bye.